What's up, my Mind Your Money business folks? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market news. And as always, hopefully you're in the market and not trying to time the market, because that's simply impossible to do. So hopefully you guys are having a blessed day. It's the beginning of my day here in the closing of the day back in the mainlands of the United States of America. The market is about to close, and it says the Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq little changed, and wait for clues on U.S.-China trade talks. So let's see what's going on. It says U.S. stocks were little changed on Tuesday as renewed, keyword, renewed, U.S.-China trade talks entered their second day after an upbeat initial meeting. The Dow was flat, while the S&P 500 rose nearly 0.2%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose 0.2%. So the mood is cautious as investors keep a close eye on trade talks, which restarted in the morning in London. While a deal on access to China's rare earth minerals in the U.S. is the U.S. priority, negotiators are navigating contentious issues that have fueled a rift between the two trading partners. We need those minerals. So any signs of progress will likely be greeted with relief by markets, given switchbacks in President Trump's tariff policy and in U.S.-China relations have fed uncertainties about risk to economic growth worldwide. So this growth issue within the economy is not just within the U.S., it's worldwide. This affects the world, this relationship. So on Monday, stocks on Wall Street edged higher after Wall Street officials suggested discussions have been productive, though Trump himself cautioned that China's not easy. Don't blame him. Everything's made in China. All right. So it said Chinese stocks slid suddenly on Tuesday before the meeting resumed, about a volatility that suggested investors aren't confident of success. The market is too sensitive, Fu Jingfeng, investment director of Qingzhou Investment, told Bloomberg. People seem to be speculating that the talks didn't go well. Meanwhile, a gauge of U.S. small business optimism came in higher in May, the first rise since September, amid the trade truce with China. But worries about Trump's tax and spending mega bill stoked uncertainty about the outlook, the NFIB survey found. Whoever that is, right? So investors are now counting down to the release of the May Consumer Price Index report on Wednesday. So that's coming out tomorrow. The report will offer fresh insight into the state of inflation amid Trump's evolving trade policy. Analysts expect to see that price pressures accelerated last month. And that's pretty much it, people, with the stock market, right? Who is Casey? Somebody, this Casey company hit an all-time high today. They gained $50. Oh, Casey's General Stores. They gained $50 today. Wow. That's a big gain. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, not much is happening, right, in the market right now. They're waiting for the results of this talk between the U.S. and China. So let's see, what is the market currently doing, right? Because the market is going to be open for like another 5 minutes. Currently, Nvidia is up over $1 currently. Things can change in the next 5 minutes, but I would take that. My information technology, ETF, my information technology ETF, FTEC is the ticker symbol, is currently up 63 cents, which is good. My S&P 500 ETF, SPLG, is up 37 cents. So hold on, something had to, because I see the market like jumping right now. So did reports come out? So let me just do a little quick search. Did something come out? Come on, come on. No, they're still waiting. I guess last minute bets are starting to be thrown in because the market is about to close, because the investors aren't certain, so I guess they're throwing in a few dollars. So everything is like going up a little bit. Well, not everything, but some. Either way, Broadcom is up 24 cents. Tesla is currently up $17.40. You guys remember when Tesla like dropped like 40 something bucks that one day? It has since gained back its losses. That's why you got to stay in the market. You can't time it, right? Apple is currently up 99 cents. Microsoft, however, is down $2.23. Palantir is up 53 cents. Amazon is up 42 cents. Yeah. So we got another 3 minutes before the market is closed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the market, people. Again, as always, I'm hoping that you are investing into the market, into stocks, into real estate, into yourselves, into gold, silver, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever. Again, investing in something that appreciates in value, because you need it, right? As always, get out of debt, get out of that personal loan debt, get out of student loan debt, get out of credit card loan debt, get out of car loan debt, get out of these debts so that you can have total control over your money. Then you set aside, 3 to 6 months living expenses. Then you fund your kids' college funds. You're investing up to 15% of your income into your retirement. If you have a mortgage, start tackling your mortgage, get that paid off in 7 to 10 years. Then you have total control over your money. You can relax. You can better plan for your retirement, better plan for your future, and just better plan for better health, travel, any and everything that you can think of that you want to do, right? But first, you also need to, before you can do all that, you need to create a plan. And that plan is going to have to start with a budget before you can start tackling all that debt. So let's rewind a little. So come up with a plan, tackle your debt, set up all the funds that need to be set up, and live your life, right? Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, nor am I pretending to be one. So any and all information on my channel is for entertainment purposes only. So please consult with a financial advisor before you invest any of your hard-earned money. Until then, you guys take care. All right, you guys have a good one. I'm going to get out of here. I'm going to work. Wow, the market's still jumping. Nvidia's up to $1.30 right now, which is good. The market is about to close in a minute. All right, so you guys take care. Have a blessed day. Stay blessed. Keep striving for greatness. Think only good thoughts. What goes around comes around. I'm just talking. All right, you guys take care. Peace.